to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Sydney and I love to do decorate videos, motherhood videos, so I'd love it if you would stick around and subscribe so you can see more videos from me. Now, today's video is going to be a quick Dollar Tree haul, and then I'm actually going to be doing a do-it-yourself sweater pumpkin tutorial for you. But if you guys are curious to see what all I got and to watch the tutorial, then please continue to watch. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to show you what all I got to do the sweater pumpkin tutorial. So I got some inspiration off of Pinterest, and then I did watch one video on YouTube, which the lady I did watch used these same Dollar Tree pumpkins. She went into more depth of the stem and some other things, so I think her video was awesome. I will link it down below if I can find her channel. I'm sure I can find it. But with what I'm doing today, it's going to be extremely simple. It's going to be no sew, just super simple. So I picked up 4 pumpkins, and the reason why I picked up 4 of these pumpkins is because I went to Goodwill yesterday and I found 2 sweaters. So these are going to be the sweaters I'm going to use today. And you want to use the sleeves for these pumpkins since they are smaller. The sleeves are going to be perfect. So there's 2 on each sweater, so that's why I picked up 4. But you can use the middle part of the sweater if you're going to use bigger pumpkins. So for the pumpkins, I also picked up this rope. So this rope is going to be, I'm going to wrap it around the stem, and that'll give it kind of a farmhouse feel, which is kind of the look I'm going for these days in my house. So I picked this up, and this was over in the crafting section, along with some glue sticks. So I have a hot glue gun, and that's what you're going to need to use instead of sewing. So it's going to be very simple, but I was out of glue, so I picked this up. Alright, so my son is having a costume Halloween themed party this year for his 2nd birthday, and we have a bunch of children coming, and they're all going to be dressed up too, so I thought it would be really nice to get them little treat bags before they leave. And no better place to get all that than the Dollar Tree, because everything is so cheap, and right now was the perfect time. They had so many options, so I was super excited about these gift bags. So my son's theme is going to be spiders mainly, and I'm making a really large spider, and one of the spiders, I'm making a couple large spiders, but one of the big ones, I'm going to have green eyes on it because my son's costume is a spider costume with green eyes. So I'm like, how perfect are these? So these are the colors of the party too, so I just love this. So those are the bags, $1 each, so I'm not gonna repeat that, it's all $1. I also found these really cute sticker boxes, so I thought the kids would love those. I found these slinkies, so it has little skulls, spiders, and pumpkins. I found 2 packs of these really cute suckers. So these have pumpkins and ghosts. These have little Frankenstein and little witches hats. So I thought these would be really cute to split between the bags. Of course, I need to get candy, so I got some of my favorite candy. I love Airheads, so I got these mini Airheads, Whoppers, Butterfingers, and then also I found these little spiders. They're all sparkly, so I thought these would be cute to put in some of the gift bags. Okay, so I mentioned how I'm going to be making a large spider. One of the main one that I'm going to be using above like the food table, I'm going to have green eyes so that it'll match my son's costume. But for another spider I'm making, I thought this would be perfect. So these are these large googly eyes, and I figured I could just use a little bit of Scotch tape and tape it to one of the big black balloons I'm using for the little spider, or the big spider. So yeah, this I thought were so cute, so I picked that up. And then also I'm going to be doing a chili bar. I'm going to have cheese and sour cream and just all the different toppings. I'm going to put them in little black bowls, and they're gonna look like spiders. I'm gonna put little straw legs, black straw legs off of them so it'll look like spider legs. And then I found these really cute colorful googly eyes yesterday, so I think these will look so cute glued on the little spiders to make them look like they have eyes. So yeah, that's everything I got from the Dollar Tree yesterday. I'm so excited I decided to stop in there because all this stuff was starting to get sold. Like, there was an aisle that was completely emptied, and they were starting to bring in some of the Christmas stuff even, so that's crazy. So yeah, I'm really glad I picked that up, and if you guys want to see what all I'm going to do for my sweater pumpkins, then please continue to watch. Alright, to start with, you guys will probably want to paint your pumpkins depending on what color sweater you're going to make, but since my sweaters are going to be light, I don't want any of the bright to show through. So I'm going to go ahead and paint it with this white chalk paint. I'm going to paint all of them, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Sweater towards the top, so the looser part I'm going to just put right over top here. I went ahead and just shoved the extra fabric in the hole underneath. I'm going to go ahead and hot glue the bottom back on, so when you're done, the top kind of acts as a stem since it's really tight on top. Instead of using a little tie, I thought it looked cuter if I just wrapped it around the top like this. So I'm going to go ahead and hot glue this so that it's really secure. Alright, so this was extremely easy and I think it's super cute. I'm going to go ahead and do the other sweater pumpkin with the darker beige color. Alright, so now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and add my greenery. Alright, so this is the finished look of the pumpkins. These were extremely easy to put together, as you can see from the video, but it took no time at all. The longest part was actually just waiting for the paint on the pumpkins to dry. But everything was so simple, and you can change these pumpkins up as much as you like. Like on these two back ones, I just added some greenery. I was originally looking for a sage sweater. When I was at Goodwill, I didn't find one, but I honestly like these neutral, just beige and cream colors. I love how the colors match the rest of my decor in my house, and I'm thinking about putting these up on my TV stand. If you guys enjoyed today's video, I would love it if you would hit the like button, and if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.